everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Travis. Today I'm talking um, about the king Thai. I'm taking you along with me to see something really special. The king Thai is here in San Francisco. Yeah, like you see in the video. So everybody kind of wonders what a king Thai is. Sometimes people don't know. So, king Thai is the highest tide of the year. This happens when the moon, the sun, and the earth line up just right, and their gravity pull extra hard on the ocean. Where we are right now, I'm standing here in San Francisco, and you can really see how high the water is. The water is coming up close to the sidewalk, and the dogs are rising. And some places look like, they are all flooding. So king Thai is very interesting, but they are also kind of reminding that this is show us how normal sea level could look like in the future as the climate change and sea level rise continue. So all the scientists in the city come out and watch and take a picture, and they're also learning, try to understand it about the future, you know. But if you guys want to come watch the king Thai, just please be careful. The wave could be very strong. The rock are slippery, and the water can come up very fast. All right, so there's a king Thai here in San Francisco. Let me know in comments. And have you ever seen one in person? Yeah, have you? Don't forget to like it, subscribe, and follow along for more travel and discovery video with me, Travis here. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day.